pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall, then we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hey everybody, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi! I'm really glad you clicked on this video. And if you're returning, you guys know I love you so very much. So today, for the first time ever, I'm trying KKW Beauty. I do get a little speechless during this video. I mean, I went to Ulta and I purchased a $45 palette, the Classic II, and then I got an $18 lipstick and a $12 lip liner, and that is what I have on right now. You know, I forgot the highlight. I'm gonna get into this video. I was a little stumped with this palette. Anytime I try a new palette, I like to do it where I don't have my outfit on for the day. I just put on a huge t-shirt because sometimes you get makeup fallout, all those other things, and I've ruined so many clothes in the past with eyelash glue and other stuff. So, and I just don't have a lot of space here. So I do a pretty detailed review of this palette. I do swatches in it as well, and I would like you to join me for it. Let me know your thoughts at the end. And guys, let's get into this video. Okay guys, so we've got KKW Beauty. For the first time on this channel, I will be reviewing Kim Kardashian West products. This is the Classic II palette. I believe that's what it's called. Her packaging is very basic. This is actually sold out on her website, but they had it available in Sephora and it said new. And it's probably new to Sephora. It probably didn't launch the same time that it did on her website. So I think it was like $45. And there is 10 shades. And I believe it came out somewhere around November of 2020. So this is kind of new. It's new to me. And it's probably pretty new to Ulta. Anyhow, so I went ahead and got this palette. And then I picked up one of her lip liners. This is what shade Nude number 4, I believe, and then I got one of her lipsticks. So I figured we would make it a KKW Beauty Day, and I've never tried her products before, so I'm going to do some swatches and then figure out what type of eye look we can do with this palette here. I'm kind of excited. I hope that her formula is good. Ooh, these feel buttery. Do they have shade names? They do. It's on the back. Okay. Ooh. I will try to get a close-up of the palette for you guys. Let's see, what do we got? All right, so this is like a really nice nude palette. Let's see. The shades are not in any specific order, but this is the first row. So there that is there. I'm kind of excited. What do you guys think so far? Now we'll do the second row. Oh, I need my wipe. Oh, how did I get that there? I get makeup everywhere. This is why I wear big t-shirts and get dressed at the end. We're gonna do the other side, or my other hand, my other arm. Here we go. I'll do my other arm. All right. So here we go. These are the darker colors. Ooh, there's another light one. There they are. What do you guys think? I'm hoping that they blend really well and I can get a really good look with this. Here's a close-up of the palette. Here are the swatches. What colors do you want to see together? Okay, let's dive into these shadows. We're going to start off with Morphe Brushes. What a surprise, right guys? Y'all know that I've been using Morphe Brushes for some time. We're going to go into this lightest shade first, and there's a lot of kick up, just so you know. Actually, this is not a really good packing brush or blending brush, but we'll make it work. Yeah, there's definitely some kickback. It's a pretty color though, very, very neutral. Show up really well on dark skin tones for sure. But this is something even light skin tones can use. We'll go all the way to the other end of the palette and put on that lightest color as well. Ooh. So far we're blending okay. We will definitely see the results of the shadows as we get into the dark ones. But I definitely am going to change brushes. I'm going to go in with Jaclyn Hill's Master Brush because this is just an amazing brush. And we're going to go into this taupe color, which is in the middle here. And we're going to just put that everywhere. Ooh, okay, not bad. Let me go ahead and move my mirror here. Have you guys tried her brand yet? Now, I tried Kylie Cosmetics and didn't like it. I kind of wanted to like it, but I did not like the shadows. But I've heard really good things about Kim's brand. So I was like, you know what? It's about time we tried it. I know that some of you ladies out there have got to be wondering about her brand. Okay, taupe. Pretty. Let's go ahead and go into the darker version of this and see how that blends. We're going to do like a smoky eye.
Jackson, can you get up, buddy?
Let's see. Not bad. So far, so good.
It's like a...
Let me grab a smaller blending brush so I can get into the crease and into the corner there and blend that out. Okay. This color is a little patchy. It does not blend seamlessly. So I either have to do a cut crease or hopefully the shimmers will blend much better and we can hide the patchiness. Alright, so we've got some other colors here. Let me go ahead and I usually use setting spray, but we're going to go in with this shimmer here and put it on the outer part of my eye and blend that into the crease. I'm probably going to do a wing and change the shape of my shadow, considering it's not blending the way I'd like it to. I'll tell you, there's such a difference in shadows with Natasha Denona and Pat McGrath, and sometimes Pat McGrath's mattes aren't that great, but, and I know that some of them are hard to make, but I'll tell you, I just really, when I get to a palette that everything blends amazing, I just get so excited. And this, to me, it could be doing better. Having to make changes in my eye look because of the way a shadow performs is not something I want to have to do. Alright, let's blend there. Blend, blend, blend. But yeah, these are lighter and darker versions of pretty much the same color. Most of it. Alright, let's go ahead in with this brownish shimmer. We do have a gold in here too. We're going to put the brown shimmer on my lid. there was a little bit of fallout. I want to take a brush and go into this lighter color here. Gosh, a lot of kick up. And we're going to soften the edges with it. It's going to give it more of a smoky effect too. Okay, so I'm going to use my finger with this gold shade. And we're going to pop that right on the center. And go up to the crease. And you can see the fallout. Wow. Okay, now I can live with this look. Alright, so I did some black liner. I did a wing. Actually, I am noticing that it is not quite perfect. So basically what I did was I went in with some concealer and I went over the gold with that. I let it dry and I put the gold on again, so this way we would get the true color, and that's pretty. It's definitely pretty. I added a wing to it that took care of the blending, all that stuff. So basically what we're going to do is underneath the eye, but before we do that, I'm going to grab an angled brush and we're going to go into Jaclyn Hill's Beaming Highlight, and we're going to use extra because you all know that that is my favorite highlight now. Look at that. Isn't that crazy? Ooh. Wow. So we're going to put that there as a brow bone highlight, and then we're going to do the inner corner. Then we're going to do that little swoopity boopity thing. Swoop it up a little. Then I'm going to swoop it over. Basically we're blending it out and we're putting it on the entire inner corner instead of just putting a dot. And then what we'll do is we'll take this here, now that there's not that much on the brush, and blend it in. And now we can do underneath the eye. Alright, let's put this aside. I'm feeling better about this look now. It's like, come on now. Alright, so we are going to put some setting spray on this Jaclyn Hill Morphe brush, and basically what I'm going to do is I'm not going to mess with the mattes underneath the eye because they didn't really blend well on the eye. So why use it underneath? But I'm going to go ahead into this shimmer here that I have not used yet. I'll work it a little bit on the brush, and right at the lash line is where I am going to put this. We are gently going to blend. I mean, I barely touched the shadow. It's just, I don't want anything patchy. So I'm going to keep it nice and light. Just like that. And what I could do is I could go in with a stiffy if I wanted to, and just put a little bit of the matte shadow right here, because this will connect with my wing and it will make that part a little bit darker. And that is definitely something I want. As far as blending it, I really just kind of smudge it a little bit and let that go. And then we will go ahead and put on some mascara and some lashes and a little bit of bronzer, and then I will come back and tell you my thoughts. Okay guys, so I got changed and I forgot I have the lip liner and the lipstick yet to try out. So we're going to go ahead and use this KK Beauty in Nude Lip Liner and then follow up with the lipstick. This is a pretty creamy liner and it's not too soft. Not bad. Okay, that's not too bad. Let's try out the lipstick. This is the packaging. Her packaging is pretty basic. And this is Nude 4. She's got Nude 1 is the lip liner and Nude 4 is the lipstick. It's that lipstick smell. Wow. Usually they have scents now, but this one doesn't have, it's just that lipstick chemical smell. But I do like the lipstick a lot. It's nice and creamy. I like the lip liner. As far as the eyeshadow palette goes, guys, you can do without it. I'm going to be honest. You don't need it. You just don't. $45. Save it. Spend it on something else. Get a Morphe palette. Those blend well. I got several Morphe palettes that I really, really enjoy. I think the lip liner and the lipstick is great. Nude colors. I like them a lot. Lip liner was $12 and the lipstick was $18 and the eyeshadow palette was $45. I'm not really impressed with the eyeshadow palette. For 10 shades for $45, I can get an Anastasia Beverly Hills one, which almost always has perfect formula where they blend like butter. This here, the mattes, I was not real happy with. And the color selection, if you are one that wears lots of nudes, okay, but the mattes you're gonna have to work with in here, and I'd rather pay a little bit more money for something. And now they have Afterpay too, you know, where you can make payments on makeup. So I can't say I recommend it. Now I do want to know if you guys have tried Kim Kardashian's line. If you have, would you put that down in the comments below and let me know what you've tried? I'm really curious. So talk to me down in the comments below. Let me know if you've tried it, if you'd recommend it. I don't. I think I've made that clear. However, I did salvage my look and I'm okay with it. So thank you for joining me for this video. What do you think of my eyeshadow look? What do you think of this palette? Is this something you would buy? Definitely let me know in the comments below. And I will see you guys real soon in another video. Bye.